Hello, 5th grade families. It's Mr. Agee here representing the 5th grade teaching team, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about how to navigate your Parents in Touch conference with your child. Ms. Ream and I have both talked with students and prepared them to go through their information with you, and so if you have any questions, you can ask them. But this is the screen that you'll use that will lead you through your conference with your child. As you can see, we've got a Start Here button. That is the speaker here. When you click on that speaker, you'll see a message from our acting principal, Ms. Nelson. Here we have live links all over the screen. This one is a short video where you get a tour to room 24, and here you get a tour of my classroom, room 25. You'll click on the Navigating Your Conference link, which is what I'm recording right now. This will be a live link once it gets published. And the instructions for going through your students' math work, reading work, writing, and the Science, Social Studies, and Unit of Inquiry is all attached through these links. So you will need to individually click on these links and go through the instructions with your child. They will have brought home materials to help assist in leading through these activities. On the right over here, we have links to our related arts areas like media and Chinese. We have a little bit of information about our social emotional learning program, and the learner profile here is linked to the International Baccalaureate Organization. The Panther has a little hidden surprise in there, and you'll see information from PE and music as well. So at the end, when you're all finished, you'll click on the attendance and reflection survey, and you'll fill out a short form, and that will give you your student credit for being at school that day. We hope you enjoy going through your students' amazing work, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your child's teacher. Thank you very much, and enjoy Parents in Touch Day.